Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are doing a very special unboxing. It finally came in, and that is the Galaxy S10e. This is the entry-level version of the S10 series. We did get it in black because this is our giveaway item. So as soon as I'm done with it, the lucky giveaway winner will get it with an added glass screen protector that we are going to put on from Whitestone Dome Glass. This isn't a sponsorship, but I've talked about this one. I'm put one on my regular S10 Plus, and I'm gonna put one on here as well. It's the only screen protector that works with the fingerprint scanner, although this one doesn't need that one particularly because it does have the side fingerprint scanner. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now I did get the regular 128 version for this. They do have it in a 256 that also bumps up the RAM 8 gigs. But I say for getting this one, you're probably getting it for the price and entry level. So that's why you're gonna get it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see that. Now it isn't a black, I would say. It's kind of like a hint of blue on there or a hint of gray. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this on. I tested it out last time at the event, and yeah, I will say this is just so small, but it's really one-handed usable. That fingerprint's in a really good spot. I can already tell, like, it's just right in the right spot you would want it. Yeah, a lot easier to get to this one actually than it is on the Plus in terms of a power button. So it's just like more perfect for the grip. All right, let's let that start up. Just see. So interesting, Bigsby. Be quiet. All right, interesting. On our S10 Plus unboxing, we saw that all of the accessories were white. However, it looks like on this one, they're black, or maybe it's if you get the black phone, you get the black accessories, and get a color phone, get the white accessories. I'm not sure. Let me know which color you got, and if you got black accessories on your S10 Plus or regular S10, or if you got white accessories, let me know. We'll try to get to the bottom of it, and with more of you guys letting me know, maybe I'll hopefully reveal how it goes on our next weekly episode of Mobile Weekly. So yeah, this are black accessories, which I kind of like. I always like black better. I just feel that they don't get as dirty as easily. And you got the AKG headphones. You got the transfer cable adapter, Type-C cable in here. And then of course the AKG headphones in black, which again, kind of jealous of that one. The one I got was white, so. All right, so let's go ahead. So I'm gonna start this up, set it up, and see just how it is. I have to put a great wallpaper on there, which you guys will love, and I'll show you guys where to find the best wallpapers for this phone as well in the description of the video. So let me set this up and I'll give you my initial thoughts. So I've had some time to play around with it, and honestly, I like it. It is easily one-handed use. Basically, with the fingerprint scanner is one of the main things I really wanted to check out. And yeah, seems pretty quick on each finger. I would say it struggles a little bit with the kind of wraparound one. Just takes a second sometimes longer than like say that versus that I feel is much faster. So yeah, just kind of playing around with that. Everything seems to move fine. It all seems to move kind of great in terms of just how everything is. By the way, if you, again, wanted to see these wallpapers, there are some really cool ones in the description to kind of get the best wallpapers. Black is the best if you want to save battery life. So yeah, Baymax is pretty cool. And so is the Eclipse. I think those two are my favorites so far, but yeah, really like them in terms of just how it all runs and moves, but very smooth. I'm gonna check it out. I still have to play around with certain things like the camera to see the differences between the S10 Plus. And oh, if you actually wanna see the difference in terms of size, and there we go. That is gonna be the size difference between these two. And yeah, We'll have to see just how different they really are. I'm really curious about battery life. Screen quality looks really just the same on both, and that's just because most people out of the box keep it at 1080p. They don't up it to 440p. That has been a response for a lot of people that are like, why aren't you talking about the screen quality? I'm like, because most people never move from 1080p. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below, but I would say the majority of viewers that I've always had and the customers that have always told me have just been like, no, yeah, I didn't even know you can change it. And of course, if you're a techie, you do know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the difference of screen resolution. All right, guys, very curious about this S10e. Let me know, what should I compare this to? I feel like the size is perfect for the Pixel 3, but let me know if you want to compare it to anything else. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.